tragic fire in Vivek Vihar, Delhi, which claimed the lives of 9 family members due to a suspected air conditioner (AC) explosion, highlights critical vulnerabilities in home appliance safety. During intense summer heat waves, atmospheric temperatures combined with continuous operation significantly increase the load on cooling systems. Primary causes of AC explosions: compressor overheating. Running AC units for extended periods without breaks increases internal pressure. Lack of maintenance. Dirt and dust accumulate on the cooling coils and filters, forcing the compressor to work harder. Refrigerant gas mismatch. Faulty gas charging or low refrigerant levels cause highly dangerous internal pressure imbalances. Electrical failures. Poor wiring, loose plug connections, and faulty miniature circuit breakers, MCBs, fail to trip when lines overload. Comprehensive AC Safety Checklist Category 1, 2, 3, 6. Actionable prevention steps. Operational routine. Do not run the AC continuously for 24+ hours. Switch off the unit for 10 to 15 minutes after every 2 to 3 hours of heavy peak summer use. Set temperatures to 24 to 26 degrees Celsius to keep the electrical load stable. Technical maintenance. Schedule professional servicing at least twice a year. Clean dust filters and outdoor condenser units frequently to preserve airflow. Have technicians check the capacitor, relay, and refrigerant levels regularly. Electrical safety. Ensure your flat phase distribution matches your power load requirements. Use a dedicated, high-rating MCB/ELCB and avoid extension ports. Tighten loose screws inside appliance plugs to prevent dangerous electrical arcing. Immediate red flags and warning signs. Turn off the main power switch immediately if you experience a burning plastic or chemical smell coming from the vents or plug. Frequent tripping of the home MCB when the compressor kicks invisible sparks or smoke from the indoor or outdoor unit. Loud, grinding, or unusual rattling noises from the compressor. Critical AC safety practices. Dedicated power lines. Connect each AC to an exclusive circuit breaker. Proper wire gauges. Use thick, heavy-duty wiring rated for high amperage. Functional grounding. Verify proper earthing setup to prevent electrical shocks. Stabilizer installation. Use voltage stabilizers to absorb frequent power surges. Seasonal maintenance. Schedule professional servicing before summer begins. Clear ventilation. Keep outdoor compressor units completely free of debris. Genuine spare parts. Avoid cheap, uncertified capacitors and wiring components. Flammable material separation. Move curtains and wooden furniture away from units. Immediate warning signs to watch for: burning smell. Indicates melting insulation or overheating plastic components. Frequent tripping. Signals an overloaded circuit or short circuit issue. Unusual noise. Grinding or buzzing points to motor failure. Visible sparks. Requires immediate power shutoff at the main breaker. Excessive heat. Outer casing feels hot to the touch. Instant emergency response steps. Cut power. Turn off the main circuit breaker immediately. Evacuate area. Move everyone outside the building without delay. Call emergency services. Contact the local fire department right away. Avoid water. Never throw water on an active electrical fire. For direct home assistance, you can book an AC cleaning service in India through several nationwide and local platforms. Major service providers primarily operate through online apps or dedicated helplines. National doorstep service platforms. Urban Company. Bookings and customer assistance are managed strictly online via the Urban Company mobile app or the Urban Company Help Center. They do not offer active direct phone lines for booking. VJ Home Services. Call +91 84537 for 8478 to arrange split or window AC cleaning. Service Ninjas. Call +91 78275 52160 to book deep servicing and repairs. Verified local AC services. Belpuri, Varanasi. If you require immediate assistance in your area, contact local professional technicians directly. AC Care India. Call +91 92666 0888.